Welcome back to another video. In this video we're going to be putting on the roof tiles and we're going to be reusing the tiles. So some of you might be worried that we're reusing the tiles, and we can let you know that we're perfectly fine. We're not cracking or creating dust with these tiles. So we are in no harm. We're wearing full mask, and the amount of exposure, if any, we get from these tiles is close to none. And to get real consequences, you need to actually be exposed to the dust on heavy work sites, not in the conditions that this is. This is realistically nothing, and you have to be exposed for it multiple years on daily basis to really create an effect. And the other thing is, we are doing yearly x-rays, part of our checkup, our health checkup, and my lungs are perfectly clear. I have no buildup of any dust or anything, so we're all good in that sense. So we're gonna take a precaution, of course, and wear masks. So let's get started with the roof. So all the tiles are on, as you can see, and we're very exhausted, but it is done. And tomorrow we're gonna screw it all on, so see you tomorrow, and we'll also explain you about the tiles. But like the way I did it now is perfectly straight, perfectly everything. Why couldn't they do the barn like that?
Because you are perfect and they are not.
We'll have to take off the barn roof and redo it.
One day.
Happy.
Are you stuck? You, the rescue! I got you.
So the roof is all done. We have screwed it all on, so it's nice and secure. And I feel like for reusing the tiles, we did an amazing job. And one thing that you're probably all going to be commenting about is that they are unsafe. Why are we using old tiles and not buying new ones? The reason is the tiles are in perfect condition and there's absolutely nothing wrong with them. So there is no reason to in theory go buy new stuff. That sounds wasteful. So we're trying to kind of save the environment by not using new tiles in this sense, because currently these are perfectly fine. They're waterproof. There's no cracks in them. They're not breaking. There's not anything coming off them. And if we would change the roof, we would change all at once. We would change all of it, and we're still not done with the other side as well. We're probably gonna extend the other side as well, so it's equal and also more light. And the tiles, as you see, they are in amazing condition. So realistically, they could survive another 50 years for all we know. So there is realistically no rush to change it. The roof is applied very badly, and then also the nails are coming out. That's why it's sagged down. It's covered in moss. But the tile structure is perfect. They're not chipping. They're not falling apart. There is no cracks. There's few tiles on the very top that need to be replaced by bad top. The metal that they did on the top is badly done, and they have nailed it too hard and pushed the tiles and broke them. So we got to redo the whole top. And we'll see if we maybe remove all the roof fully and just redo it like we did this one, and not to maybe change the small beams because these ones are in pretty good condition. We're just gonna put them without the wood. We're gonna rip off all the shingles and we're gonna put the wind barrier and then put the tiles. And the myth about the tiles being toxic, they're only toxic if you break them, and same goes with every new tile. If it's bitumen tile, it's very toxic. It's made from oil products. Not wanna breathe that in. Fiberglass is very bad to breathe in. Cement is bad to breathe in. Everything is bad to breathe in if you're cutting it or breaking it. So doesn't matter what tile you're working in, you have to wear a mask and not to breathe in. But if you're not breaking the tile, in theory there's nothing wrong with them and they're not producing dust on their own. Whenever they're not falling apart or any dust is giving off, then there's no harm. So if you start cutting them, drilling them, then you need to be wearing a mask. You don't want to breathe that in. But the the amount you need to breathe in to actually get sick from it is insane. You have to actually work at a facility that works with it, and then you have long-term effects. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope you enjoyed this video, and this project is gonna continue on. We're gonna put windows in, siding, and then we'll see where else we go with this project. Probably a lot further. We have to keep going. We have to clean up all this and probably somehow get a floor in here as well. But yeah, hope you enjoy. We're gonna see you next time. Bye bye.